Yeah, okay. Can you hear me now? Possible?
I can hear you. Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, so let's
Can
start
you,
now, right?
can you see me or is the
No,
video
no,
also on?
it's not video is not required. It's just I've shared my screen. You will be able to see my screen.
No, I can see your screen.
Visible? Okay, right. So I hope you might have watched those videos which I gave you on WhatsApp to watch.
Yes, I was watching the video that you had sent, the first one with
Yes, yes. Hmm.
pronunciation.
So were you able to understand something in that?
Yes, I was able to follow to some
Okay,
extent.
okay, good. Yeah. So let's just start now directly. I think all the other discussion we have already done. Okay.
Yes.
So very
This
first, yeah.
I have done this a little
Mm-hmm.
bit from online
Okay.
watching videos
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
That I can speak this. You can let me know if I'm correct.
Sure. Sure. You
Abe
try.
se
Yeah.
abe se
Yeah.
de
Mm-hmm.
e ha
Slowly, 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 slowly. Not EFG. It's AFG. Try to go slowly. Okay. There is no hurry. A B C D A F G like that. Slowly.
abe se de e f g
Yeah.
ha I yod ka elomeno pe
LMNOP. Wait. What is the hurry? LMNOP, not LMNOP. Okay. LMNOP. Speak slowly.
l m n o p
Next.
u
Two.
r s t u v w x y und z
So it's Q R, not R. Okay. Q R
r
S T U V X Y und Z. Now I am playing this video two times. Listen to it and see your mistakes.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Yeah, listen once more.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Okay, now clear?
No, actually, when I hear it, by myself, I'll not be able to tell if I'm correct or.
So now you have to speak slowly. That's why I'm saying speak slowly. Okay, don't try to run so fast. So repeat with me. A B C D
I'll say A B C D
A
E
F.
F
If you
G
speak normally, not like a song. A F G.
G H I J K L M N O P
Next Q R. You have to repeat after me, sir.
Q
Q R S T.
Q R S T
Again, same mistake. Q R. I am saying not R. Try to listen to me, right? You're not listening to me directly. You are saying on your own. Q R S T
Q R S T
U
U
V
V
W. Yes, now clear. X Y und Z.
Z.
Okay, right? So
So
this
the mistakes that were there were E is A.
yeah.
I was
And
making
next
a
is
mistake.
R. R. R is R. You have to speak like R. Okay. R. You have to speak like R.
R.
Yes. So that's the video. I will share this video later. Okay. You can go through it. Now we'll start with the topic directly. Okay. So we have to start with the topic of pronunciation. Clear? In pronunciation, what do we see? We'll see what are the sounds of these letters. Right? So far, what you have done, you have just done one ABCD video, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now you have to see their actual sound. So see here, this vowels and consonants. See, we have A till Z, the same script used in German, the same script which you have in English. Same letters are used. Apart from that, 3-4 extra letters are there. So that I will take in the next lecture, the umlaut letters. So this we have two parts, vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U and consonants are B, C, D till Z. So you have to understand their rules one by one. First of all, I am drawing one table. Understand this. Whenever any word in German, if it is ending with B, D or G, okay? Any word ending with B, D or G, the sound will be per, ta and ka respectively. So B, D or G in the end, the sound will be respectively P, T and K. Per, ta and ka sound will be there. So speak the example here, right hand side.
Give
geep, geep.
tak.
Try to reduce down your pace. Okay. If you try to speak too faster, I won't be able to correct you. So slowly you have to speak.
Gip, gip, geep. Geep,
Slowly,
kint,
slowly. Please reduce your speed. There is no hurry.
Geep.
Okay. Geep.
Geep.
Slowly. Kint.
kint, tak.
Tak. Again more slowly. Geep.
Geep,
Kint.
kint,
Tak.
Tak.
Okay. So there is one greeting that's called Guten Tag. It's not called Guten Tag. Yes. Next is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Two sounds are there. A and A, two sounds are there. How you will decide after A if it is one consonant directly. So what is consonant? This B, C, D till Z. This is called consonant. So you will count the number of direct consonants coming after A. It can be one, it can be more than one. So see here in ALT, tell me how many consonants after A. Just tell me the count, nothing else. Two. Then FRAGEN after A, how many directly?
One.
One, only G. Okay, we will not count this N because after that, before that, E is coming. Then TRAGEN after A, how many?
Single.
One. The rule is after A, if it is one consonant, that will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have A sound. So here, if you can see Fragen and Tragen, only one is there. That's why the A sound is there. And in the first one, it is called alt because two consonants are there. Okay, speak these examples. Alt.
Alt,
Next.
Fragen, Tragen.
Yeah, alt, Fragen and Tragen. Next is E. E is having the A sound. A. The sound A. I am not talking about letter. The sound A. So speak this example. Essen.
Essen.
Second.
Essen, egal.
Egal. After A it is one
Egal.
consonant. Yes, after A one consonant, so it will have the A sound. Egal. Okay, Essen and egal. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay, I is having two sounds, long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant, that will have the long E sound. Otherwise, it will have the short E sound. So speak the example.
Ist,
Ist,
wider,
wieder. After I, it is one consonant, so long E. Wieder.
ist, wieder,
Next.
build.
Built. Okay. D in the end is the built. Ist, wieder and built.
Yes.
Okay. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, that will have the O for Korea sound. Otherwise, it's O for awesome. After O, if it is one consonant directly, it's O for Korea. Otherwise, O for awesome. So speak the example.
Single means O and double means O.
Yes.
Order.
After O, if it is single consonant, O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. So speak the example. Order.
Order, sol,
Zol.
zol.
Single S is Z and double S is Zol.
Okay. Zol, monad,
Next. Monad. Next.
corp.
Corp. Okay. Order, Zol, Monad and Corp.
Or
Right? After O it is one consonant and after A one consonant. Monad and Corp. Clear? Next is U. U is having the U sound. Okay. U is having the U sound. So speak the example.
tun,
Tone. Next.
mutter,
Mutter. Next.
shoe,
Shoe. Okay. Tone, mutter and shoe.
shoe.
Got it? Tone, mutter and shoe. This SCH is a combination. SCH, you might have heard of a company Bosch, Robert Bosch. Okay.
Yes.
And one company like Schindler, Schneider that makes your elevator and lift. Okay.
Yes.
Schindler, Schneider, all are German based companies. So this SCH is a combination. SCH sound is sh. Okay. Tone, mutter and shoe.
True.
H in the end is silent. Right? And this mutter, R in the end is glottal. Glottal means R like this. So don't make it pure mutter. It's not like that. It's very soft sound. Like 50% silent. Mutter.
Motor.
Yes. Next is B. First consonant. B in the end is per. And beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Okay? B in the end is per. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Belen.
Belen. Next.
Oben.
Oben. Next.
Corp.
Corp. Next.
Jeep.
Geep. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep.
Belen.
Okay.
Oben.
Corp and Geep.
Corp and Jeep.
Yeah. Next is C. C is having the K sound. So speak the example.
Kite.
Camping. Camping. This one. No, this is K for K for kite sound. Okay. This is the example. Camping.
Camping.
Yeah. This they have taken from English directly. So that's why you can speak it just like camping. Okay. Yeah. Next is D. D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay. Right? D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example.
Dome.
Dome. Next.
Bider.
Next.
Weeder.
Yeah.
Bat. Hand.
Yes.
Hand. Yes.
Bat and hand, not hand. Okay.
Hunt.
Yeah.
Hunt. Okay. Okay, because there are two consonants. Hunt.
Yes. Dome, bider, weeder, bat and hunt. Okay. Clear till here?
No, but bat is singular and
Bat
Hunt
is singular,
is-
na? After a one constant. Okay.
okay.
Right? After a only
Bat and
one
hunt.
constant. Correct.
Bat hunt.
Hunt. Next is F. F is for. So speak the example.
Foul.
Now see AU is ow. Okay.
Foul.
AU is ow. If you see here, see again this is bider and weeder. EI is I sound. Right?
Yeah,
EI is I and I is E.
E.
Okay. So bider, weeder. Now here if you see this is one more vowel combination. AU is ow.
Ow.
Right? AU is ow. So that is foul.
Foul.
Foul. Yes.
Foul. Shaft.
Next is shaft. Right?
Shaft.
Next is shaft. So SCHAF. SCH is sh and after a it is one consonant, so that will be shaft.
Shaft.
Yes. Tell me any doubt till here? No?
No.
Okay. Next is G. G, if you remember BTG, PTK. So G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun. Right? G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Gegen.
Gegen,
Tak.
tak,
Klug.
klug. Correct. Okay. Gegen, tak and klug. So G in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun.
Okay.
Beginning of middle is ga for gun. Speak the example. Gegen, tak and klug.
Klug.
Next is H. Okay. Next is H. Right. H in the beginning is her. Okay.
Yes.
Right. H in the beginning
Yes.
is her. Middle or end is silent.
Okay. Halt. Gehen.
Yeah.
Sehen.
Yes. Okay. Halt, gehen and Zayn.
Zayn.
Halt, gehen and Zayn. So
Zayn.
H in the beginning is her and middle or end it is silent.
Yes.
Right? Simple. Okay. Next is J. J is ya. Speak the example.
Jungle. Oh, you.
Mm-hmm.
Young.
Yunga. Okay.
Younger.
Yes. Yunga. Next is
Yunga.
KLMNP. That is the Ka, La, Ma, Na, Pa. Okay. Ka, La, Ma, Na, Pa, KLMNP. Same sound. So speak the example.
Klasse.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Tinken. Keller.
Chicken. Not Tinken. It's chicken. Klasse.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken,
Hmm.
Keller,
Yeah. Next.
Will,
Next.
Atman,
Atman. Next.
Schwimmen,
Shrimp.
Schwimm,
Hmm.
Rennen,
Yeah.
Brown,
Brown.
Lippe.
Okay. Klasser, Chicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, and Lipper. This is still that KLMNP,
Yes, yes.
right? KLMNP till here it is done. So now see what I am doing is first of all I am sending you this file. Okay. First of all I am sending you this file. One second. This one. Yeah, I've sent you on that Zoom chat. Okay, download the file first of all, and read the file for 5 to 7 minutes. Firstly, okay,
Mhm.
go through this file, read it 5 or 6 times, and try to remember the rules which I have given you. And then we'll again start from the top, and you will explain me the rules in short, and then the examples. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, download the file first, then go through
Yeah,
it.
done.
Okay.
Okay, punctuation.
Yeah, done till where?
No, just telling.
Okay. Device till the letter P.
Okay. I have read a little bit until E,
Yes.
E or O.
Sure. So now start from the first one. Okay. You in short you have to explain me the rule and then the example. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, so first is whenever B is at the end, we will pronounce it as P. When D is at the end, we'll pronounce it as T. When G
Yeah.
is at the end, we'll pronounce it as G. Example: Geep, Kind, Tak.
Next.
The next one is A will be called, it will sound like car when it is coming before single consonant, and it will be pronounced as A when it is coming before double consonants.
Yes. So speak the example. Alt.
Alt, Fragen, Tragen.
Tagen. Next.
Next, E will sound as A when it is. So it is SN. It is not A. It's SN and egal.
Egal. SN and egal. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now E will sound as E as in T when it is coming before a single consonant, and ship sounds similar to ship when it is coming before a double consonant.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Long E and short E. Okay.
E and E. Yeah.
Yes.
Short E before double consonants.
Yes. Yes. So ist, widder, and build.
Is to wither and build.
Build. Yeah. Yeah. Next
Built,
is
yes.
O. O is having two sounds. O and O. Okay. O
Yes.
is having two sounds. O and O. So speak
O.
the example.
So when O is coming directly before a single consonant, it will be O, and when it is double, it will be O.
Yeah. Yeah. So speak the
Odor
example.
and Sol.
Yeah.
Monad and Corp.
Next.
Corp. Corp.
Yes.
Next is U. U will sound as U.
Yeah.
For example, Tun, Motor,
Next.
Shoe.
Tune, motor, and shoe. Okay.
Shoe.
Yes. Yes. Tune, motor, and shoe.
Shoe.
Okay. Correct. Next is B. Speak the rule of B.
B in the middle will sound as B, at the end sounds as P. So, Belen, Oben, Corp, Gip.
Yeah. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Corp and Gip.
Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Next is C. C is having the curve sound. So speak the example.
Yeah, C will have camping, is similar to English.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Next is D.
Yeah.
D is
D in the
as
end
D
is-
when it is in the middle or beginning, and at the
Yes.
end it will be T.
Sound
For
is
example, Doom,
Dum.
Dum,
Next.
Bide,
Bider. Yeah.
Bide,
EI is I. Okay.
Weeder, Weeder,
Bider. Next.
Art,
Bart. Next.
Hunt,
Okay. Correct. Hunt. Dum, Bider, Wider, Bart, and Hunt.
Hunt, yes.
Yeah. Then next, after that, F.
Yes,
Speak the example of F.
Yeah, F will be football, F is the same as football.
Yes.
Ow. Okay.
For like football, okay? F like football.
Yeah.
So speak the
Foul,
example.
tough,
Foul and shaft.
shaft.
Okay? Foul and
G.
shaft. Correct.
G is normal G in the middle and beginning, and it will be K when it is at the end. So
Yes. Okay? Gegen, Tag and Klug.
Gegen, Tag, and Klug.
Yes. Gegen, Tag and Klug. Correct. Next is H. Speak the example of H.
H in the middle will be her, and the end or middle it will be silent.
Yes. Middle
So
it will
high.
be silent. Correct.
Gen, Sen.
Yes. Halt, Gen and Zen.
Sen. Zen.
Halt, Gen and Zen.
Zen.
Next is J. J is year. Okay. J is year. So speak the example.
Yatka. Yeah, J is Yatka, so it will be Yungal.
Yod is the name of letter. The sound is here. Okay.
Yeah.
Sound
Yes.
is here. So speak
It
the
will be
example.
Younger.
Mm-hmm.
And the next is examples are Klasse, Schicken, Keller,
Mm-hmm.
Will,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Atman,
Yeah.
Atman,
Yeah. Next.
Atman, Schwimmen, Rennen, Brown, Lipper.
Yeah. Rennen, Brown and Lipper.
Lipper.
Okay. Rennen, Brown and Lipper. Any doubt till P?
No, I think that is okay.
Okay. Now see here the next letter which we have is Q. Okay. Next letter which we have is Q. So Q in German always comes with the letter U. Q in German always comes with the letter U, and QU sound is qua. Right?
Qua.
QU sound is qua. So speak the example.
Queer.
Queer. Queer.
Queer. Queer.
Yes. Okay. Queer. Then after that the next letter is R. Next letter is R. So R is basically the guttural sound. Guttural means something coming from inside of the neck. Like this. Okay. So speak the example.
Riser.
Riser. Okay. Riser. Next.
Riser.
Yeah. Next is Bruder and Schwester. Speak the next.
Yeah, Bruder, Schwester.
Bruder and Schwester.
Schwester.
Okay. Yes. Then after that, next is S. Single S is the and double S is sir. Okay. Single S is the and double S is sir. Yes. Speak the example.
Zingen. Schloss. Zingen, Schloss.
Yes, Zingen, Schloss. Next.
Tanken.
Yeah.
Tanken, Raten.
Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay. T is T for tomato. So Tanken and Raten.
Tanken, Raten.
Right? Tanken and Raten.
Tanken and Raten.
T. Yes. Right? So now what I am doing is I am first of all sending this file to you. PQRST revise till T first of all. Yeah, download the file, revise from Q till T and revise that A till P again for the first file. Okay? Especially the letters A, E, I, O. You revise them once again and then revise till we have done till T. P, Q, R, S, T. Till T we have done and then we'll take U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, done till T.
Done.
Okay. Yeah, start from Q first of all. Speak the examples from Q.
Q is queer. The sound is queer. The next one is R is R.
R
And
is
it
ra.
is
Okay, that's literal ra sound.
R. It is Bruder, Schwester.
Bruder,
S.
Schwester.
Bruder, Schwester.
Correct. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir.
Z and double S is sir.
Yeah, single S
So
is
it
the,
will be,
double S is sir. Okay.
yeah, it will be Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss. Next.
Schloss. T will be Tanken, Raten.
Yeah, just hold on. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Speak from S and T again. Once again.
Yeah, so S is Z. Single S is Z, double S is sir.
Correct.
Zingen, Schloss.
Zingen is Schloss.
T is
yes.
Yes. T is Tanken and Ratten.
Tanken and Ratten. Correct. PQRST. Okay.
Yes.
Next is V and W. So V, sound of V is
Is
fur
found.
and W is ver. Okay. V is fur and W is ver. So speak the example. Simplest example is Volkswagen.
Volkswagen, yes.
Okay. Volkswagen. So Fox means people and wagon means car. That becomes Volkswagen. Then
Volkswagen.
yeah, remaining example. Speak this VIEL.
Wheel.
Feel. Okay.
Feel.
Next.
Feel.
Yeah. For. Wasser. Next. Vegan. Next.
Wo.
Vegan and
Wo.
then wo. Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan and wo. Then next is X. X is X-Strahlen. Right?
Epsilon.
X-Strahlen. Okay. X-Strahlen. So this image is little bit cut from here. The answer is X-Strahlen. X sound is X only. Then X-Strahlen means X-rays. Okay. Y is having the UI sound. Y is UI. So speak the example. Twip. Correct. Y is UI. Next is this is twip. Then next is Z. Z is having the mix of T and S. Okay. Mix of T and S. So speak the example. Sight. Okay. Sight and sook. Yeah. Today we'll do till Z first of all. Okay, because after this some vowel combinations are there that we'll see later. So now what you do, revise the complete PDF from A till Z, from the first file and till the second file till the letter Z. Okay. Revise again. Okay, and then after that we'll start again from the beginning from the first file. We'll see the examples again from this table. Okay. Revise till Z and then we'll revise it again fully.
Okay.
Then I'll make you solve some words. Yeah. Yeah, done. All.
Yeah, I've just completed one first PDF.
Okay.
Completing it, yes. Yeah, done till here.
Okay. So now just speak the examples from the first one. Geep, Kint, and Tak. From here, speak the examples. Yeah, speak the examples.
I'm just saying I'm coming to your screen. Yeah.
Okay.
Gip.
Geep, not Gip. See,
Geep.
after I, G, not J. Geep. After I, single consonant, that's
Geep.
Geep.
Geep. Kint.
Yeah.
Tak.
Correct. Tak. Guten Tag. Next.
Alt. Fragen. Tragen.
Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Next.
Essen. Egal.
Yeah.
उसके बाद T
Next.
is
I. Essen, egal. Next is ist.
Ist. Ist. Wider. Belt.
Wider. Not wider. It's wider. And
Wider.
next is build.
Wider. Ist.
Build.
Wider. Belt.
Then next O.
Oder. Zoll. Monad.
Yeah.
Corp.
Oder, Zoll, Monad, and Corp. Next is U. U is having the O sound. So speak the example.
Tone. Motor.
Next.
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. SCH is sh. That becomes shoe. Okay. Next is B. Speak the examples.
Balen. Oben. Corp. Geep.
Geep. Next is C. Speak the example.
Camping.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Next is D. D in the end is T. Beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay.
Yes. So it is Dome. Wider. Weeder.
Yeah.
Bart.
Hunt. Okay.
Hunt.
Doom, Bider, Weeder, Bart, and Hunt.
Hunt.
Next, F. F is for, speak the example.
Foul. Shaft.
Foul and shaft. Okay. Foul and shaft. Next is G. Speak the example. G.
G is Gegen. Dark. Klug.
Yes. Gegen, Tag, and Klug.
Klug.
Next is H. H in the beginning is her, middle or end is silent. Okay.
Gehen. Stehen.
Yeah, halt, gehen, and stehen. Okay. Halt,
Gehen.
gehen, and stehen.
Yes.
Okay. Next is J. J is having the y sound. J is having the y sound. Speak the example.
Yes, sound. Klasse.
Yeah.
Schinken. Keller. Will. Atman. Strimmer.
Yeah.
Rennen. Brown.
Yes. Klasse, Schicken, Keller, Will, Artman, Schrim, Rennen, Brown, and Lipper. Okay.
Lipper.
Any doubt till here? Till P?
No.
Okay. K11OP. Next, which we have is Q. So start from this. From Q, speak the rule and the example.
Volkswagen. V is as F. Okay, Q.
Yeah.
Q equal sound is queer, so it is
Mm-hmm.
queer,
Mm-hmm.
queer.
Mm-hmm.
The next is R. R is Bruder, Schwester,
Yeah. Okay.
Riser.
Mm-hmm. Clear. Okay. Riser, Bruder, Schwester. Next S.
Riser. This
Mm-hmm.
is Zingen, Schlosser,
Mm-hmm.
Tanken, Ratten,
Okay. Zingenschloss, Tanken, and Ratten. Okay. Tanken
Ratten,
and
yes.
Ratten. Correct. Next is V. V is fur. Okay. V is fur.
Fur.
So speak the
Volkswagen,
example. Mm-hmm.
Volkswagen,
Mm-hmm.
Viel, Par, Wasser, Vegan,
Yeah.
Wo.
Yeah. Feel for
Wo.
Wasser, vegan, and Wo.
Wo. Wo.
Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan, and Wo. Yes. Good. Next is X. So speak the example of X.
X, Strahlen,
Correct. X Strahlen.
Strahlen.
Right? X Strahlen. Okay.
X, Strahlen.
Yes. Next is Y. Y is Ui.
Ui.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Twip,
Speak the example.
Twip.
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 Yeah. Twip.
And
Mm-hmm.
Z is Titzer.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Sight and
Sook.
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 Okay. Sight and Sook.
Sook.
Correct. So this completes our pronunciation till Z, right? The rules till Z. See, today it is nothing to learn actually. Today it is just for you to see whether you are able to understand what I am telling or not, right?
Mhm.
Okay, it is nothing to learn today because once we start now, we'll be starting in the next lecture again from the top, from that ABCD again. Okay. So that's the thing. Now your only homework is that you have to revise the rules at least 5 times from A till Z. The problem in this language is that in pronunciation, I'll tell you, they write something else and they speak something else. Okay. So far we have done only 40% of pronunciation or 35%, not much. It looks like we have done till A till Z, but that is not the end. After this, you have lot of vowel and consonant combinations are there, which are the most important topic of pronunciation. This A till Z, out of that 50% are like English only. So not even like 5-10 letters were important. But now, just like I told you that EI, IE, those vowel combinations, they are the most important part of this pronunciation rules. Okay? Right? So let's do till here today. Now just give me 1 second. Let me close this.